In Disneyland, the sun shines bright with Mickey and Minnie, it's pure delight. Goofy's giggles fill the air, and Donald's quacks are everywhere. We ride with Peter to Neverland, fly with Tinkerbell hand in hand. Under the sea, we swim with glee, with Ariel and fish, so wild and free. They'll read books with talking cups, while Simba roars and never gives up. Cinderella twirls in her sparkling gown, and the genie's magic spins all around. So come with me, let's shout hooray! In Disneyland, we dream and play, with every character, big and small.